Sa mga nag-iisip po, bakit 24 hours lamang? Let me explain. We extended the parliamentary courtesy to the former member of the House, dati pong miyembro ng House of Representatives, si Attorney Roque. And we likewise considered his act of asking for forgiveness. And these are the two significant reasons kung bakit the consensus of the Quadcom was to give only 24 hours detention para po sa kanyang citation for contempt.
Pero balikan po natin, ano po ba yung contemptible act that he committed which triggered this citation po?
Well, if you remember, Christian, no, etong hearing na sinundan ng hearing natin kahapon was the one we had in Pampanga, Bacolor, Pampanga. I think that was August 16. He is supposed to be one of the resource speakers as well. Kaya lang, we received a letter from him seeking for excuse for the reason na may hearing siya sa Makati, no? The Secretariat of Quadcom talagang went out of their way to verify the veracity, the truthfulness of the fact that he has a hearing in Makati, and it turned out that we received a certification from RTC Makati. Walang hearing si Attorney Harry Roque. So this is the basis of our findings of misrepresentation of facts, of telling a lie, which is paragraph E of section 21 ng ating contempt rules. At ito po ang naging dahilan why we cited Attorney Harry Roque for contempt. Christian, let me just explain, no? Kasi meron po kaming mga na-cite na for contempt at ito po yung naging argument ng ating mga kasama sa Quadcom. As a matter of fact, nakadetain pa po si Miss Baterna. Nakadetain pa rin po si Miss Quiros, no? As much as we wanted to consider his health reasons, his act of asking for forgiveness, in the interest of fairness and equality, Christian, ang pinanindigan ng mga congressmen, we need to be uniform in the implementation of our rules. So kung sinight namin for contempt, previously si Governor Mamba, if you remember, no? And then we cited for contempt also a certain Miss Baterna na resource speaker din natin dito sa Pogo. We cited for contempt also Miss Quiros, who figured in the misuse of public funds. What reason do we have para hindi namin i-cite for contempt si Attorney Harry Roque? We need to be uniform in the implementation of the House rules. Otherwise, the integrity of the compulsory power of the Congress will be compromised, Christian. So I think the Quadcom was fair and reasonable enough when they issued the order for contempt and when they ordered the detention for 24 hours of Attorney Harry Roque.
Opo. Kasi binabasa ko yung statement na nilabas niya sa kanyang Facebook page after this. And then he was crying political harassment. Sabi niya, yung 24-hour detention was unwarranted. And in the first place, ang argument niya, there was no actual lying on his part. Sabi niya, it was an honest mistake. Bakit hindi binili nung members ng Quadcom po yung kanyang paliwanag na it was an honest mistake?
The reasons, Christian, number one, since August 16, if it was really an honest mistake, he should have reached the Quadcom, sent a letter seeking for apologies, explaining his side kung bakit naging honest mistake yon. Kung bakit hindi dapat contemptible ang kanyang failure to appear during the hearing of August 16. No? Pangalawa, we were given the information na may sakit daw siya. That's according to him. He was resting the whole time. But somebody checked the Spokes Hour, yung program niya sa social media. It turned out that he was actively engaged in his program. And the usual criticisms that he is striking against the administration, no? So kung masama ang lasa mo, hindi mabuti ang pakiramdam mo, may energy ka pa ba na humarap sa public through your social media program, no? And Third, we really need to be uniform in the implementation of our rules. Napakahirap i-justify, Christian, sa public why we can cite for contempt others while we could
Mm.
not cite for contempt Attorney Harry Roque. And I have to add also na kailangan po naming proteksyonan ang integridad ng rules ng House of Representatives.
Mm. Yung isang argument niya, kung wala daw siyang balak umattend, sumipot siya, 'di ba? Yung kahapon. Tapos he also had attended the previous hearings. Yun ba, why didn't the committee find that convincing?
Well, that is his reason why he is claiming honest mistake, no? Kasi kung
Mm.
may intention daw siya na hindi mag-attend, sana marami na siyang absences, no? Actually, I confirm this is his first absence from the committee hearings. Kaya lang,
Mm.
Christian, nung sinight namin for contempt yung ibang resource speakers, we never considered kung sila ba ay it was an honest mistake or otherwise eh. And even the
Mm.
rules on contempt, wala namang sinabi sa rules eh, na kapag ka honest yung mistake, you should dispense with the absence or failure to appear of the resource speaker. The rule is silent. In other words, the rule does not distinguish whether it was an honest mistake or otherwise. Kami
Mm.
po, nag-stick lang po kami sa rules, and I really believe that the Quadcom was very reasonable when it issued a contempt order and a detention order for 24 hours.